Hedera's Crossroads. Can HBAR break free from resistance? By Bua from our special analysis. Welcome back to our. In the ever-shifting world of cryptocurrencies, Hedera, HBAR, continues to intrigue investors. With its unique hash graph technology, enterprise backing, and steady ecosystem growth, HBAR is often judged against its ability to turn promise into price. As we head into late 2025, what can a market realistically expect? Hedera at a glance. Launched in 2019, Hedera Hashgraph has positioned itself as an enterprise-grade distributed ledger alternative, leveraging gossip about gossip and asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, ABFT, rather than traditional blockchain consensus. The Hedera Governing Council, populated by blue-chip names like Google, IBM, Boeing, and other global firms, adds institutional credibility. Yet Hedera is not without scrutiny. Recent academic studies reveal tension in its design. While Hedera's consensus power distribution is more balanced relative to some blockchains, challenges remain in token wealth concentration and centralization of transaction intermediaries. AR14+1. In 2025, the network is exploring technological upgrades. Notably, research into sharding, partitioning the network to boost throughput and efficiency, is underway and may be an inflection point in Hedera's scalability story. AR14. Recent price behavior and technical signals. HBAR has endured volatility this year. The token dropped over 20% to near 17 cents, testing its 100-week moving average, a level that many chart analysts view as long-term support. Brave new coin. That zone around 14 to 17 cents is critical. A reclaim and hold could form a base for renewed upward momentum, while a breakdown might invite deeper correction toward 10 to 12 cents. Immediate resistance is pegged near 19 cents, forming a battle line the market must overcome. Brave new coin. From a broader technical view, if HBAR can maintain above that 100-week average and accumulate buyer strength, it stands a chance of challenging upper thresholds seen earlier in 2025 and 2026. Price forecasts. Cautious optimism. Analyst estimates for Hedera's price trajectory vary considerably, reflecting both optimism and healthy realism. Some prominent forecasts include: Changelly suggests HBAR will trade between $0.1683 and $0.2484 in October 2025, with an average near $0.2484. Changelly.com. CoinCodex models a 2026 band between $0.196 and $0.384, with average close to $0.259. CoinCodex. 99 Bitcoins estimates HBAR could range from 20 cents to 55 cents in 2026, and by 2030 reach 50 cents to $1 if adoption intensifies. 99 Bitcoins. More bullish views, like from StealthX, project possible peaks near $5.25 by 2030 under best-case scenarios. StealthX. Clearly, predictions diverge depending on assumptions about adoption, regulation, competition, and macro trends. One useful valuation thought experiment. If someone holds 14,112 HBAR worth $3 for 100 now at 24 cents, reaching 50 cents would double the portfolio, while $1 would make it worth $14,112. In a strong bull scenario, $2 is sometimes floated, but that assumes major breakthroughs in usage and trust. Captain Altcoin. Key drivers that will decide the future. To cut through the noise, here are the primary forces that will shape BAR's path. Adoption and use cases. Hedera already supports DeFi, tokenization, identity systems, and enterprise infrastructure. More real-world deployments will fuel demand for HBAR as a utility and governance token. Partnerships and institutional backing. The existing council members and potential new alliances, e.g. with central banks or financial institutions, could legitimize BAR's role in mainstream systems. Regulation and policy environment. Crypto markets move on sentiment. Favorable regulation, especially in the US, EU, and Asia, can unlock institutional capital. Harsh crackdowns or uncertain legal regimes can trigger reversals. Tokenomics and supply pressure. Hedera has a large circulating supply. If many tokens are staked or locked, supply tightening can help price. But if large sell pressure emerges, it could weigh on gains. Competition and technological innovation. Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos, and Layer. Two networks all compete for mindshare. Hedera must prove unique scalability, speed, and cost advantages. Its efforts to deploy Shardang could be pivotal. Market cycles and Bitcoin's tide. Historically, all coins follow Bitcoin's lead. In a sustained crypto bull market, HBAR could ride broader momentum. In a crash, it is unlikely to escape collateral damage. Scenarios ahead. Bullish scenario, breakout path. HBAR retests and holds above $0.17, $0.19. It forms a sustained ramp into 2026, aided by enterprise adoption and token lockups. In this view, HBAR could reach 50 cents to $1 by 2028 to 2030, with occasional pushes to $2 under aggressive growth. Base case, moderate growth. HBAR bounces and slowly gains ground. By 2026, it may trade between 20 to 40 cents. By 2030, 50 cents to $1 is feasible, but only with steady adoption and modest headwinds. Bear case, fail breakout. Price breaks below the 100-week support, and HBAR fails to sustain momentum. It might retrace toward 10 to 12 cents, lingering in stagnation for years until a fresh catalyst emerges. Final word. Hedera remains one of the more intriguing mid-cap crypto projects. It doesn't trade on hype. It trades on promises of enterprise reach, scalability, and sustainable architecture. The roadmap toward Shardang, continued council growth, and real-world adoption will be its test. But amid bullish hopes and forecast ranges, a sobering reminder: all forecasts are speculative. The crypto market is inherently volatile, and no prediction is guaranteed. Use them as lenses, not certainties. If I were to place a risk-adjusted bet, by end of 2026, HBAR might land in the 30 to 45 cents range if conditions align. If it breaks out above 50 cents, that would be a strong bullish signal that could carry it to $1 plus over time. Thank you for watching.